What's up, everyone? I am taking a little break from the stream. Me and my wife are having some quality Valentine's fun in San Francisco. Took a little spontaneous break and hit the road and on the West Coast. So, yes, here we are. Welcome to the good life. Yeah, I really can't sing. I'm not going to try to sing that song. But, anyways, we are having a good day traveling and trading and another 5K day, as you can see here with the Apex funded accounts doing really well. I got this one already above the safety net. Did not want to make too big of a day on this because I'm not really familiar with the whole consistency thing yet, but I've been plugging away two $300 days, two $300 days. Had a $500 day. I had a losing day on Friday. Was like down $300 on all of my accounts, so no biggie. Come back Monday, boom, get our money back with interest, and here we are. But I got one account over the safety net, so I'm pretty much guaranteed, if unless I do something stupid, to get a payout. These three are just lagging a little bit, so I got a little bit more on those because I had a couple hiccups last week. But overall, I've been trading really, really well. Still, I've only had like three red days this whole year. I've been kicking ass and taking names on all my funded accounts. I think at one point I had like 70 micros going, which is kind of insane for me because I'm not used to trading with trade copiers. But 70 micros on all my funded accounts that I had running at one time. I didn't have all my funded accounts going. I'm trading my Elite Trader funding on my phone. Trading this one with just the laptop I have going right now. And yeah, it's a really good day. I'll go ahead and go over the trades. I caught some of the moves here, breaking above this neckline. I wasn't really too sure as we're, opening up which direction we're going to go. It was kind of sideways feeling, but then once it started to move up, I actually think I bought a little bit before the neckline. I was pretty confident we were going to go up. We chopped around. I hardly took any heat on this trade. Then we ripped right up. Took my profit really close to the top. You know how it is with Apex Trader funding. You really can't get too greedy holding sometimes. You just got to snatch that profit. So yeah, did that. And I actually caught pretty much the bottom of this. It was a really nice trade. I did it on my Elite Trader as well. And I actually held through some of this. As it was going up and it started to stair step, I really had a strong conviction, a lot of confidence that we were going to break above this. I had a good feeling that a lot of noobish bears and people who are not used to trading this type of market, to me, it's just an obvious bull run up, stair stepping, get out of the way of the bulls, and just let it do its thing. I was not looking to do any shorts today, and boom, we crushed it. Got up here around this area, I think where my take profit was, and I got like to $600 on all my accounts. This one I got a little bit less because I'm had some really big days on it last week, and I didn't want to have too much of a big day today with the whole consistency thing. You don't want to have, I don't know, it was like 40% of too much winning, which I'm probably okay with having a big day. I mean, I don't see what's the problem with having a 1K day, right? Or a 1 or 2K day, especially on these 50K accounts. Anyways, I am above the safety net with one on these other three. I'm lagging a little bit. Had a couple hiccups with the trade copier last week, or I would have been over the safety net with these. But I'm pretty much going to be guaranteed having a nice withdrawal. This is day 6 or 7. I can't really remember where I'm at. I'm kind of losing my days here. My sleep is off. My routine is off. Yeah, I am missing the stream. I'll come back. I miss hanging out with all my virtual fam traders and love hanging out with you guys. But right now it's quality time with the missus. Happy wife, happy life. You gotta, keep the wife happy. If she's happy, I'm happy. Plus, I love my wife. Got to make her happy. And it is Valentine's, so make sure to get your wife something if you are married like I am, or your partner or significant other or whatever. Valentine's Day, got to have some fun. Don't always want to be staring at the charts and trading all the time. It is really good to take a nice refresher. But me, I love trading so much. No matter what I'm doing, where I'm going, I'm going to stop and probably pull out my laptop or my phone at least and take some trades. And if I see a really good trendy day like this, I'm probably going to ride it up. I was actually watching some other streams and I saw a bunch of people talking about fair value gaps, and it's probably going to crush back down or gapping up and look for the big short back down. Well, that's the problem with this new, ICT, the stuff. People, they don't really got the experience, or they're not used to gaps or whatever. Fair value gap trading is nothing new. It's been going on for forever. And I think it's kind of funny when I see FVG posting everywhere and 100,000 comments and this and that. FVG, fair value gap, like it's something new. And other podcasts on ICT, and like if this guy discovered gaps or whatever. Come on, guys. Gaps are not new. They are not new. So that's pretty much it for this video. Nothing against ICT or fair value gap trading or any of that stuff. I trade gaps all the time. I'm just talking about the acronyms. I will go over how I like to trade gaps and all that good stuff. There is a certain way that you should trade gaps, and it's definitely not, hey, we're really, really high up, I think we're going to gap down. Hey, we're really, really low, I think we're going to gap back up. This gap is probably going to fill because we're just above this previous high, and this gap is probably going to go back up because we're below this previous low. That is not how gap trading works. You got to have an eye for it. You got to have the experience to read it, and looking at the tape helps as well. Not necessary, but training your eyes to see the gaps is the most important part, in my opinion. And I'm going to go ahead and call it here, guys. You have a great rest of your day. I'll be back streaming soon, and I will see you on the next video.